Just staring at a baby.
We're trying.
Oh, hold on. Okay, you're sideways. Okay.
We're trying a coconut sorbet in a coconut. I'm so excited. It's a coconut sorbet in a coconut shell. And we're not in Hawaii or any place tropical. We're at Shabuzen. I'm so excited. All right, here I go. Ready? Smells like coconut. I feel like this is something we should have in Key West.
How does it taste?
Like coconut. Like they took this coconut and froze it. That's what it tastes like. Oh my god, it's really good. I don't even like coconut that much. Can you try a little bit? You have to say that you tried coconut sorbet in coconut. And she hates coconut.
No, I like coconut.
You do? I thought you said you didn't like it.
It's literally a coconut.
It's coconut.
In a coconut
In
shell.
a coconut shell. Oh. It's coconut. Think coconut.
Okay.
It's good. I don't even like coconut. Okay, you can't have all of it, honey. Okay. Okay. All right. Can I have a little coconut?
Wrong choice to give it to me.
Do you like it? It's really good. It's really refreshing. Random scoop. It's really good.
It's really refreshing.
And you can taste like the coconut. Like the bits and pieces of coconut. Was this a good discovery? We are at our favorite hot pot place. Delicious. So good. We come here every single week. But we've never been able to film it because we eat it so quickly. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye. Enjoy your coconut shell.
We are.
Bye.
And then we're going to do some shopping. Oh. She's eating my coconut. We woke up, we went to the gym today. And then we discovered a new Dunkin' Donuts, which New Englanders, especially Bostonians, love our dunks. So we went, it's brand new, we loved it. We did Target, because who doesn't love a Target on the weekend? We were trying to find some discount St. Patrick's Day stuff, but it jumped to
Lines
Easter.
were ridiculously long, and we abandoned cart.
We did. We had 2 items and we abandoned cart. And they jumped to Easter, so we couldn't get anything for St. Patrick's Day. And why are we getting St. Patrick's Day items after St. Patrick's Day? We will discuss that more in an upcoming vlog. Because we're vlogging now. That's what we're doing. Alright, we're gonna go, we're gonna enjoy. Oh, you ate all of it. We're gonna enjoy our coconut shell the rest of our Saturday. And we're actually going to be making an introductory video, a little bit about us, about how we met, And we're gonna post that soon. How do you feel about coming into the world of YouTube and vlogging? What are your thoughts on it? Different?
I'm really enjoying this coconut shell.
Okay. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye! I'm gonna try to get some of that before she takes it off.